You can import multiple raffle numbers or member lists at once using the member import feature. For example, if you want to draw raffle numbers to determine the winner of a door prize, you can first create a list of raffle numbers in Google Sheets. Then, import the list of raffle numbers into the Arisan app. Open the Google Sheets app and add the raffle numbers. As an example, you can automatically create raffle numbers from 1001 to 1020. Save the file with the name raffle numbers. Tap the Share button in the top right corner. Select Manage Access at the bottom left. Change General Access Settings. Choose anyone with the link. Copy the link by tapping the icon in the top right corner. Open the Arisan app. Select Import Members. Paste the Google Sheets URL. Then, tap Import. The raffle members you created in Google Sheets will be imported into the app. Choose Raffle to pick the winners. Let's select 2 winners. Tap Winning Date to sort by the winning date and see the winners.